So you learning all that vocabulary and grammar and still can't put together a sentence. Damn. Don't even worry about it though, because I was in your position not that long ago. Actually, not really that long ago, okay? I got you. So as we're learning Spanish, it's kind of pointless to just be learning vocabulary words and grammars and how to conjugate verbs and all that if you can't put together a sentence. Like, that's the point of you learning this language, to be able to speak it. Duh. So in this video, I got you on all the best vocabulary words that you need to know to have a conversation, to be able to speak, read, write down a sentence. You can't without these words. I got this idea from one of my absolute favorite YouTube channels, Spanish After Hours. She has helped me tremendously on learning Spanish. She does it, breaks it down very, very well. And she did this about 2 years ago, and I was like, oh my god, I can make a video like that. So some of the words may be similar to the ones that she has in her video, but I had to add some extra ones that have helped me be much more better at my conversational Spanish, okay? Hola, buenos, me llamo Daljiimarax, and we learning Spanish together. Yeah, we're gonna be fluent in this language for real this time, alright? Alright, got my iPad, so let's get started. We're gonna start with location words, okay? Por ejemplo, esto, esta, este. So all of these words literally just mean this, but it depends on what you're talking about. We know when a word ends with e or a, usually that means masculine or feminine. And then we have esto, which is just by itself, referring to just a thing, an object. Por ejemplo, esto es lo que buscaba. Esta es mi chaqueta favorita. Este es el coche de mis papas. Pretty simple, right? Let's move on. Ese, esa, eso. All of these words literally mean that. That one, that. Por ejemplo, ese sombrero es feo. Dame esa. Eso es lo que yo. Allí. This means over there. Por ejemplo, su derecha allí. Aquella y aquel. This means those or that. That's dependent on the context. Por ejemplo, vive una foto. Aquella niña es su teléfono. En aquel momento. Aquí. This means here. Por ejemplo, aquí está bien.
Later that night.
Alright, now these words are still location, but they're more like direction based, if that makes sense. Por ejemplo, derecha. Por favor, gira a la derecha. Izquierda. No gire a la izquierda. Okay, these are ordinals that you'll probably use all the time if you're like listing something, talking about something, step-by-step directions on how to build something, blah, 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 things like that. Por ejemplo, primero, segunda, tercero, cuarto, quinto. Primero, prepare las verduras. All right, now connectors are super important. This is going to like help make a sentence make sense. Without these connectors, it could be like, you could be saying words in a sentence that makes sense, but without these connectors, it's like, where are you going with the story? Por ejemplo, ahora, lo necesita ahora, pronto, llega pronto. Por ejemplo, pues, no lo he visto desde Navidad, así. Quiero que se vea así, ¿Con quién vas? Pero no quiero todo eso. Moving on to questions, you probably just gonna use these as like one-liners a lot because I do it all the time. Por ejemplo, ¿dónde? ¿Dónde está? Pregunta. Tengo una pregunta para ti. ¿Qué? ¿Qué diste? Lastly, we got some random words. I don't really know what category to put these in, but they're also super important as the other ones, okay? Por ejemplo, en breve. Terminaré en breve. Entonces, hasta entonces. Toro. Necesita toro. Nada. No tengo nada que ponerme. Algún día. Algún día voy a hacer fluido en español. Más. Quiero más fichas. Un día. Lo haré un día. Fácil. Este juego es fácil. Difícil. Eso fue difícil. O pequeño o grande. Y necesita papel y jabón. ¿Tienes algo diciéndome? Lo siento, no te escuché. Compromiso, menos. Tengo menos tiempo libre hoy que ayer. Now you know how to speak a full-blown sentence and it makes sense, okay? Do not be out here just learning the days of the week and the months and how much this is and como te llamas and donde está baño. Don't just be learning, like learn how to have these little filler words so that you can form a sentence, okay? I got more videos to help you out. I do, because I'm learning this language just like you. Oh!